like, that's great. I was teaching this one year at University of Texas at Austin. I was teaching a pre-AP thing, and I did a long variation of this, and again, somebody got this, let me show you what I do. And I loved it, and that's what I do now, is the thing that she taught me. So it's called bottoms up. Some of you may know this already. I love it because eventually the kids don't have to, of course, do all of this, but the biggest step to me is the very last step. That's why it cut time for me. So, of course, you know the first part is that 3 times 10 is negative 30, and this number, negative 13, goes down here. So you need the factors of 30 that, in this case, subtract, of course, to give you 13. So we have 15 times 2. And we know that's a negative, that's a positive. And of course, this doesn't go as fast with the kids, right? No way at all. Now, here's the first reason that I use bottoms up. Call it bottoms up because right now, I want them to visually check and make sure this really does match, because right there's where you know they mess up the sign. So I call it bottoms up, with whoever made it up. Make sure right here, this really does subtract and your signs are right, okay? Now, here's the big secret, and here's why I like this, is now if you will take this coefficient right here, whatever it is, and divide through right here. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Now you must reduce. This only works if you reduce. You have to reduce. So right here the kids will really write. Right here I get 5. You're going to need the 1. If you don't put a 1, it's fine. And this one doesn't reduce, so that's okay. So then right here, you're going to write x and x, because those are x's. And now then you write whatever this number is, and this number here, whichever, you know it doesn't matter which order you put it in. And now it's called bottoms up for the second reason, because this 3, this bottom comes up, and there you go. I love this part right here where you go through and divide by the 3, divide by the 3, so now that's all they have to do is write this here. So I used to teach split the middle thing, but now once they showed me to go through, and this was the step she added, go through and divide by that 3 on both sides, I was like, oh, I love this. So that's what I teach them the first day. We practice, practice, practice. They still have to, of course, take out the greatest common factor, all that kind of things like that, But this has served me well once I've learned that. So just wanted to kind of show you that. Somebody asked me, they asked me if I'd share the factoring. Then, of course, I give them a factoring worksheet to do that has all different, ones on there. Sure,